class we are going to learn about the how to add the simple products and group of products. What are simple products, how to add them, and what are the group of products and how to add them. What is mean by upselling the products and what is mean by the cross-selling the products. Okay, all these things we are going to learn in today's class. So friends, this is an e-commerce website. Okay, this is the home page. In the upcoming classes, we will also learn about the how to create the header and footer and the home page of the website. As of now, whenever we install any e-commerce website, what happens is the theme will automatically comes up with some of the functionalities like WooCommerce plugin, automatic email sending, setup and deliveries of messages to the customer automatic whenever he gives an order, makes an order, and then shop checkout page, thank you page. All these settings will automatically comes with a plugin theme. So what the thing we need to create or customize is we need to customize the header and footer and all the home page. Okay, home page means the main page. Okay, home page means this one. This is the URL of the home page, right? So this is the URL of the home page. So how to make the home page, we will discuss later. First, we will discuss about the creation of a products. How to create or how to add a simple product. So in order to add a product, we need to go to the admin panel, right? So go to the admin panel. Here you will be having the option called go to the products page. Okay. First, you go to the products page, go to the all products. Here you will see the all the products, whatever they are listed out here. Okay. So see how many products are there, friends. Here you will be having 13 products, right? So I'm unselecting this product now and making this one as deleting this one or move to trash. Okay. I'm duplicating or trashing, deleting this product now, and I will show you practically how to add a product, how to add a product. So the product has been, one product has been trashed. The idea of that product is displaying over here. So anyhow, this is the, we are going back to the dashboard. First, we are going to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard. So when you know how to add a single product, group of products, and then in the tomorrow's class, upcoming classes, we will also learn about the how to add the affiliate product, okay, and how to add the variable products, okay. But for us now, today we are going to learn about the how to add a simple product, okay. Go to the product section, and then you will see all the products, whatever the products we have on our website. See how many products? There are 12 products are there, right? And one of the product we have moved to the trash. Okay. So now what we have to learn is we will learn about the creation of a new product, how to create, how to add the new product. If you go to see the details how the product has been added, you see here, for example, hand-picked red chilies. So what is a hand-picked red chilies product? What is the thing is there? See here. So you need to give the, some what the product description over here. Okay. We need to give the product description here. Okay. And next one, if you observe here, go back and go to down here under the general category, the price has been kept as in 19 degrees. Sale price they hadn't given, regular price only they are displaying. And if you go to the inventory, so in stock only they are representing here. So coming to the inventory part, friends, here. So stock keeping unit, okay. Inventory means under the inventory we will be having SKU, stock keeping unit. A very we can say that a place where all the goods have been stored. We can say that as go down like that. Okay. So unit. So there are so many shops we have, small shops, big shops like that. So if you go to the Amazon, they maintain the stock keeping units, okay, SKU unit. So if you register your company on Amazon, on behalf of your company, they will make a SKU unit, and from just they keep your product in their website. Whenever someone orders on your product, what happens is the product order will be received to the the backend team. They will take the product from the stock keeping unit. At the stock keeping unit, your product will be completely analyzed, number of quantity, etc. Whatever the product you have ordered, they will analyze, and they will make the package, and they will start delivering to your customer. So like that. So, but for small shops here, stock status we can say here. Stock management also is there. So that means how many quantity of products, track stock quantity for this product. For example, if you have a stock of only one quantity, you may show up here. Otherwise, if you have hundreds of products are available, then you can show up presently we are having 100 products. After then, you will show that hello, but notify the customer. After then, you can also say that we are having only 100 products. Till the completion of 100 products, we do not allow the new, back orders. So like that, you can say. And then one more thing is here notify, you will notify the customer that this much of stock is present right now. For example, somebody placed an order of 50. Then what happens? The only remaining 50 only will show up you. By seeing this category, you may be ready to arrange for the next in future how many products are needed, and according to the demand you may again you will be able to get the prepare the new order, okay. So by seeing like that, so quantity you can mention first of all. Whenever you keep any product number of quantity, you just list out the number of products quantity there. So as long as the products are getting ordered, the number gets reduced. Okay. So that is the option called quantity here. Okay. Whenever you go to a medical shop here, what happens? You order a product. So when you ask any product, what the shopkeeper will see, he open the his laptop. I mean, I am talking about the big shops like Apollo shop like that. They first of all they will check the product in the shop. How do they check, how do they get, and in order instead of searching all the shop where the product is there, whether it is available or not, they maintain a software called Tally. So there are so many softwares according to the business, right? So Tally software, some other software will be there. So they will check the name, they will search the name in their software. So according to these, what happens if the product is, if whenever a new product comes, immediately the number of quantity they will enter. Okay. And after then they start selling. What happens? And whenever they sell any product, they immediately update the product. You might have been observed this in Apollo, medical shops. Yeah, immediately there is a strong dedicated team is there. They must update even how many number of customers are there in queue. They won't care, but they will update the system so that it becomes very easy for them. One person will update the system, update the products, and another person will deliver the product. So like that, it happens. So anyhow, so this is the number of quantity we will mention. We will notify the customer that. So if you again order for 10, 20, the remaining 30 products will start showing in the gallery. So on the website. So like that. After the completion of the 30 products, so what you want to say them? Do not allow any product or any order, or allow but notify the customer that your ad order has been received. This is presently not in stock, like that. You can say allow, disallow, you can choose any of the option here. Okay. So this is about that one. Otherwise, you can just stock started in stock only if you want to say, and you do not want to say how many products are available in the stock. Then you just simply go and select the in stock. Okay. And then what they have here shown here, shopping. Under the shopping, so what is the weight? They had and mentioned the weight here, dimensions, length, weight, everything is there available. Okay. So for the very big products, for the as of now, just academy theme is there. So that's why they hadn't listed the weight, all the other dimensions. But when you go for ordering any product from the Amazon, you might have been seen that they must have mentioned the number of what is the kind of product, weight, dimension. If you go for purchasing any laptop or any TV or any other, everything they will clearly mention. Okay, so shipping class also is there. So we will learn about the shipping class as well later on. So next one, linking of the products. So as of now, they are not linking the products. What is the upsell? Upsell means here, for example, when we are going to purchase any product here, they will also show the another product there on their website. They will also showcase another product about on their website. I have shown you yesterday. Okay, that is called as the upselling. So, and for example, next one, uh, next one, that is cross selling. Cross selling means you may also like that. That is called as the cross sell. Next one, attributes. Under the attributes, they hadn't said anything, and we will discuss the attributes like that in later classes as well. Enter some descriptive text user. Use this one divider to separate different values. Okay, and all these things will comes under the attribute. Next one, and the advanced and card flow things we will try to learn about these things in the upcoming classes. So as of now, so these are the things they have kept over there, friends. Okay, and then first one is the what here at the left side you will be having small description, product description here, jump some simple setting. Here you need to select this product data. Simple product only this one. Okay. So whenever we are going to create any simple product, we need to select the simple product only. And whenever we are going to show the product group product, I will tell you later on the group product. So simple product, when we are creating, we have to select the simple product. Okay. These are the types of products, category of products here we have. So, and some types of products are there, virtual products. Okay. So for example, e-books are there, e-books, virtual products. Some there are some products only they are can be visible. E-books, for example, if you go for Amazon, you can order some only virtual things only. Okay, all those things which comes under the virtual, that means you can see or you can purchase virtually. Such kind of, see, all the courses are what virtual classes only, right? You are listening this class far away from my location. So these kind of classes are called as the virtual. After the completion of my course, I can list out my course on the internet. Okay, on my course dashboard. So that kind of course, when somebody wants this course, then he will purchase. So, and he will see virtually only. Okay, I do not give the option for the downloadable. So that kind of thing is called as a virtual. This is specially for the courses, right? Consultation. Okay, all these things. Next one, downloadable. For example, uh, I am selling my ebooks. For example, I have so many kind of books. So if you pay me, then I will give you an ebook. So if I would like to give the